So before we start off with this excitement, with this energy, and with this enthusiasm, what we will do is, first of all, we will have, I know, because as we are here with the Kolkata zone, and many of the regions have come across to the city of joy, to the city of culture, the city of, I can say, sweet. So what we will do is, we will start off with the ice-breaking round. For that, what you need to do is, you need to just stand up. You just need to stand up. And as you all know, that today, this year, we have Supernova as a theme. Supernova conquer the galaxy. So when we talk about galaxy, we talk about stars. And every single person is here is a star. So I guess when we talk about digital era, we do carry a star in our pocket. That is a digital small smartphone. What you need to do is just bring out the smartphone. Everyone to bring out your smartphone. Generally what we say, please keep your mobiles on silent, do not use mobile phones. But I am asking you to use your mobile phones right now. So everyone has your mobile phone in your hand? Yes? No? What? Yes? Okay. So switch on the flashlights. Think that you are a star, you are a qualifier, you are an achiever, then only you put on your lights. And if you think, nah, I'm okay-ish, then it's okay. You do not have to put on your lights. Now decide for yourself what you are. So are you guys champion or not? Yes? A louder? Louder cheer? So what we will do is, can we have all the lights off? Left, do it with the music, with the beat. Your heart, and I know that celebration of Supernova, dedicated to honoring the exceptional dedication shown during our life insurance and health insurance campaign. And it also signifies and celebrates your hard work, your persistence, your unbreakable commitment to excellence. So before we start off, let me just highlight you one point, that in Q3 we have 198 unique qualifiers. So among them there are many qualifiers in both of the segments, but we have 198 unique qualifiers, and এটা জন্য GST দিয়ে হাততালি দিচ্ছে. Can we have a GST free round of applause, ladies and gentlemen? Put your hands together for yourself, because today is the day where we celebrate you, because you are here, that's why we are here. And thank you so very much, sir. And now I just want to be I just want to ask, how many of you have been a part of the previous quarter celebration? Can you just raise your hands? Many of you. Okay, most of you, not many, most of you. Okay, so now what we will be doing is, what we missed the previous quarter celebration is giving out gifts. We have given out, but right now I guess Gaurav has arranged lagbhag 100 gifts to be given away. So I think we will try to cover as much as possible. So song भी वही है, गाना भी वही है, मूवी भी वही है, सभी चल रहा है एक साथ. चलिए, can we have the last two? All collection. ये चलिएगा ये. Your hard work, the celebration of your dedication, the celebration of you, celebrating you. So that starts now. And as we start off, we will start off with Life Invincibles of AFLIC and Bajaj. And to felicitate all the winners here, I will again call the esteemed dignitaries here on stage who will be presenting the set of awards, this particular set of awards. So requesting Sri Mohana Das TS, Zonal Head, Sir, to please come up on stage. Requesting Sri Ganesh Kumar Mishra, Zonal Second Line, to please come up on stage. Sri Ketan Gokani, Zonal Head, Aegis Federal Life Insurance Company, to please join hands. Requesting Sri Avi Ganguly, Zonal Head, Bajaj Life, to please come up on stage. And next region award, that is Bhuvaneshwar Award. So first and foremost, I will request Shankar Ghosh to please come up on stage. And Bardhaman will be having the same, okay? Kolkata, Bardhaman to come forward. Kolkata and Bardhaman, okay. So now the game is very simple. As we all know that at the end of the day, everything trickles down to the numbers. What we will do is, we will show a picture. You will not be allowed to look at back. So, as we all know, when I say Bola, everything is down to numbers, right? We all know, you're all from the sales team, you know that. So, can once change? चलिए, हाँ, कौन start करेगा? Sir, ma'am, sir already here on stage. Now, I will be announcing the region and the cluster along with the head's name. Please do come along with your trophies. Many more, and everyone giving us an amazing surprise. We have already witnessed 3 months ago some amazing performances, and today we will also witness few more. To start off with,